Thank you for watching the TESTaide demo video. First, create a test environment for test automation. This could be something like a Chrome web driver. Write the location of the Chrome browser located on the server and the location of the Chrome web driver. You can rename the environment to whatever shape you want. Now let's create a new automation project. It is mandatory to select an environment for testing in the project. Enter the environment information you just created. Now let's create a new test case. Select Auto as the test case type. TestScript supports Python-based Selenium test script. Enter the data declaration used in the test script for test data, and the as-write statement for expected result. Now let's create a test plan and run an automated run. To run the test plan, you need to add test cases. Click the Run button and select the environment to run the test. If you run it directly on the server, you can check the execution by changing the headless option to false in the template file. Shall we check the execution log? This time, we add a test case that creates a project. Add test cases to the test plan. Run the test plan again. Change the test state to testing to run the test. Now you can see the test plan in test execution. Add one regression and click the Run Test button. Creation fails because it is a project that has already been created. Modify test cases to create a new project. Create a second round to run a new test. This time, create a project with the changed test case. Check the test execution status in the test home. Thank you for watching the TESTaide demo video.